Let me now explain further about probability. I'm pretty sure majority of you all have played cards. The total number of cards in a card deck is 52. So you have 52 cards in total, right? And A is equivalent to 1, J is equivalent to 12, Q is equivalent to, sorry, J is equivalent to 11, Q is equivalent to 12, and K is equal to 13. Suppose you randomly picked a card from these 52 cards. What is the probability that that card would be bigger than 10? Bigger than 10. How many cards do we have which are bigger than 10? Bigger than 10, you have J, Q, and K. So we have J, Q, and K. How many J do we have? 4. You have a club, you have a spade, you have a heart, and you have a diamond. So you have 4 cards which are of J. You have 4 cards which are Q, and you have 4 cards which are K. So the total number of events that you are interested in is 12 divided by total number of events, total number of cards, 52. This is a probability that you would get a number which is bigger than 10. If you randomly pick a card from these 52 cards, what is the probability that the card that you have picked is equal to or greater than 10? So you need to include also 10. So you have 10, J, Q, and K. How many 10 do you have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have 4 cards of J, 4 Q, and 4 K. So how many cards are you interested in? You're interested in 16 events or cards out of total number of events, which is 52. This is a probability associated with the second question, right? Suppose you randomly pick a card. What is the probability that it is smaller than 3? That is less than 3. Less than 3, how many cards do you have? You have A and 2. So you have A and 2. You have 4 cards which are of type A, and you have 4 cards which are of type 2. So the total number of events are equal to 8 divided by interested events, sorry. The number of interested events are 2 or 8 divided by total number of events which happen to be 52. That's a probability associated. Let us look into the last question. If you randomly pick a card from a card deck of 52 cards, what is the probability that it is greater than 4 and less than 8? Greater than 4 and less than 8, you have 5, 6, and 7. You have 4 cards of type 5. You have 4 cards of type 6 and 4 cards of type 7. So the total or the number of interested events are 12 divided by total number of cards, 52. And that's probability for you.